Good morning, students. This is question number 10 of the first chapter, G.S.T, first exercise. Here clearly, in this question, the printed price of the article is rupees 50,000. Now clearly it is a case of intra-state transaction, since it is being purchased in one state and sold in another state. Therefore, S.G.S.T and C.G.S.T will be half of the total G.S.T collected. The rate of the discount given is 10%. Therefore, cost price of the article for shopkeeper is 50,000 minus 10% of the 50,000, which comes as 45,000 rupees. Now, the amount of GST paid by dealer to wholesaler is CGST and SGST will be same, of course, and the rate of GST will be half of the rate given. That is 9% of 45,000, which on calculation we are getting as 4,050 rupees. Therefore, the input GST and input SGST and input CGST is costing rupees 4050. Hence, the amount paid by shopkeeper for article is 45,000 plus 4050 SGST and 4050 CGST. Therefore, the total comes as 53,100 rupees. Now, for the second part, the rate of GST is given by shopkeeper to consumer is 4% of the mark price. Therefore, selling price of article for consumer becomes mark price plus discount. That is 50,000 plus 4% of 50,000, which on calculation gives us 52,000 rupees. Now, GST paid by consumer to the dealer is 9% of 52,000, which on calculate becomes the dealer's output CGST and SGST, that is 9% of 52,000, which is coming as 4,680 rupees. Now, therefore, the amount paid by consumer is 52,000 plus 4,680 plus another 4,680, that is SGST and CGST. Together it costs as 61,360. Now, the third part of the question is, we have to calculate the amount of CGST paid by shopkeeper to the central government, which comes as output CGST minus input CGST, that is 4,680 minus 4,050, which comes as rupees 630. For the fourth part, the amount received by state government under GST will be 4,050 rupees plus 630. That is the we have got the net tax that we are getting. So 4,050 plus 630 we are getting as 4,680. Now let us do another question. Question number 14 of your book. A dealer in Delhi buys an article for rupees 16,000. Please refer your book for further elaboration of the question. Now students, here is the solution to question number 14. Here the cost price of article for dealer is rupees 16,000. Since sales are interstate, the GST will go to central government. It will be 5% of rupees 16,000, which comes as 800 rupees. To calculate the profit, we have got 25% of 16,000, that is 4,000 rupees. Therefore, the selling price becomes 16,000 plus 4,000, which comes as 20,000 rupees. Since sales are interstate, then the GST will be 5% of rupees 20,000, which on calculation gives us rupees 1,000. The tax paid by wholesaler to government is the 800 divided by 2, because half of them it will go to the central government and half of it will go to the central government and state government. Now, the second part is the tax paid by dealer, that is IGST, which will come as 1,000 rupees minus 800. Therefore, it is coming as rupees 200. Now, total amount paid by consumer for article will be 20,000 plus this 1,000 rupees, that is the total GST. Therefore, the total price paid by the consumer will be rupees 21,000.